Hello, Dr. Allison Navas here. I have a visual for you. It's going to be backwards in the video, but I'll post it. And I also have my magic wand. It's my favorite pin. But if I could wave a magic wand and have your students all use AI in an ethical manner, I would. But in the meantime, let's talk about some things we can do. One thing I like to illustrate in my trainings are asking, when do we want our students to use AI and when do we not? Because sometimes we don't. I like to break it down into three phases: curation, creation, and improvement. So if we think about creation, that's when they're doing the thinking, right? That's probably when we want them to step away. Hear me out. But in the curation phase, where they're selecting sources, where they're honing their prior knowledge, where they're getting details of what the topic is even about, that might be a good time to use AI. Also, you can see our video series on 3 different AI tools for collecting sources. That could be a time that we say, yes, students, you can use AI. We're going to step away during the creation phase. And then when we come back toward the end, in improvement, that could be the feedback, the Grammarly, things of that nature. We might be okay with them using AI during that phase. These are the type of things that you want to think about when you're building out your school or your classroom AI policy. Now, in this video and in this conversation, I'm talking about instructional policy, not governance. That's going to be different in every setting. But tell me what you think. What do you think of the curation, creation, improvement model? And do you agree that in the first and third phase would be a nice time to let students use AI?